In this another tutorial in this series, I want to show you how to create a block from an existing drawing or an existing block in a drawing, modify that and then use it again. For example, I got the flow direction block here. You can just select that. You can add more items from your drawing into a block by selecting more items, but in this example I would just use one item, I mean the block itself. Once you selected the block, you need to go and select from your home tab in the blocks or block, and then click on the create, give it a nice name. But before I use this, I want to change the direction of the flow. The flow at the moment is northeast, so if I select it and then change with rotation and select a base here and then type an angle of 180 degrees, it goes to the other direction, which is southwest. So I want it to be a southwest block. I select it, then I go and click on create, and then I say flow arrow in southwest. Then you can click on pick a point, so that would be insertion point, which makes sense to be here, and then click on this checker, open in block editor, click OK. It opens in the block editor. You can do more things with it here, too many things, nice stuffs. And then all I want to do here is to go and click on open save as, save block as. Once you do that, then you can give it another name. Let's say flow arrow southwest, or you can just select this, save block definition to a drawing file, then say OK, and then here is my folder of my blocks. You can just keep adding there more blocks and just keep saving, increasing your library. Once you've done that, you can just say close. If you haven't made any changes or you don't want to save the changes, just say discard the changes and close the editor. It still stays the same, and that's it. It shows you how to create a block from an existing drawing and then save that block into another drawing, and then you can just insert that block by going here, insert, and you can see them here. If it is not here, you can just click on recent and it should appear here. Please don't forget to watch my other videos on this drawing playlist in AutoCAD.